customer in town here, they make the coil springs for vehicles. And that bar that comes in on a coil, sets it down. That bar is like 3/4 diameter, and the bearing housings that we were doing would twist the bar. And those bearing blocks were opposed angles, and it would make it twist to get the memory out of the coil. So it took it from a coil and it made a straight bar, and they turned it and cut it off. We were really struggling with getting those angles perfect because there's two bearing blocks opposing one another. That was really critical that those center lines and angles would twist the bar as it went through. And we really needed something that would give us that repeatability, because we were making, at that time, we made 3 machines with I think 20 of those bearing blocks on it. We were building a lot of fixtures to rotate parts and angles and compound angles, so we bought a new UMC 750 and a VF2. That project there really put us on the map. 6-8 months later, we bought another UMC 750 SS with the 15,000 RPM spindle. Hi, I'm Ryan Mazie with White Tool and Die here in Toledo, Ohio. We just celebrated our 10th year in business, and we currently have around 10 employees. The bearing block in the UMC 750 that we're cutting today is 4140 pre-hard. This part has bores that go through one another and have counter bores that have to be in line with, I think, 1.5 thou true position of those 2 bores for the bearings and rollers to go together to make that bearing fit really well. Those are going into a machine to level and thin out lithium and platinum and silver. With the new VF7, we're taking anywhere from 100 to 200 thou depth of cut on base mills, and we're doing anywhere from 30 to 50 to 60 depth of cut on feed mills. It runs just as hard as all the other 50 tapers that we previously had and have traded out for. We obviously have quite a few other machines here, and they don't even come close to the service response time, the parts delivery, and just straight friendliness of the people that you deal with at Haas. We're not just business partners, and we are friends with those guys as well. They're local guys, we know them, and they're good people.